In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the rear bumper of the Elan. I cannot think of any reason you would want to do this unless you were painting the car, but if you know of any, leave them in the comments. And as usual, like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. And let's get started. So the bumper is held in place with a bunch of fasteners underneath that pretty much just avoid it from flapping about with the air rushing in. And then there's two main fasteners in each side that hold it in place, which you can access from the inside of the car. So I'm going to show you where all of these are and how to get to them. Pretty straightforward again, and let's just have a go at them. So from underneath the car, what you're looking for is this 5 bolts and nut combination that I'm pointing at, and I hope that you can see this one. There's 5 of them. In your car they'll probably be very rusty and a bit more discreet, because I replaced mine a few years ago with stainless steel. They are, perfectly fine. The thing is, this is not a captive nut situation. This is actually a bolt and a nut that I have. So I don't remember what my car had originally, but I believe it was also a nut and a bolt kind of thing. And so to remove these, you have to actually put a socket from the other side, stopping the nut from spinning, and then getting something here that will also make this spin. So very straightforward job, but you're going to need an extension, a socket and an extension to reach them. So I'll just point out where they are from the top, and then when you see me filming this later on, just trust me that I will be holding these with a spanner and then undoing them from the top. So now that we're looking at the boot of the Elan, we need to do a bit of work until we can reach those bolts. So the first thing to do is just to take the cover of the spare wheel, and then just make sure that you're, taking everything. And now you don't need to remove the toolbox because you can see the nuts here already. You just need to also remove the jacking thingy. And there they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. If we move over here, you can hopefully see there the nut that the bumper goes into and its massive washer. I believe this is a 13 mil. Yep, it is a 13 mil. And there you can see the other one. And the washer again. So the other bolt is here. You can see now. And on the opposite side, so after removing those 4 nuts and everything from underneath, all you have to do is just carefully and slowly pull out the bumper. And one thing to keep in mind is that the adjustment of the bumper relies on these spacers. So just make sure that you count how many spacers you got in which one of the points, as you can see, because that will be required in order to make sure that all of the body panels align later. So in my case, I just keep them all there as they are. I put the nut with a washer from the other side in there, and I don't need to worry about anything. So that's it for removing the rear bumper of the Elan. I am one step closer to painting the car, and well, if you like the video, put a like on it, share, subscribe, all of that stuff, and I'll see you soon.